Yeah. Mehboob, are you already working as a developer? I think you have shared your resume. Okay, maybe. Right. So, I welcome you all. I welcome you all for this demo on 5G, L2, L3 development as well as testing. So let me go through about our company profile first before going through today's demo. So this is our company. Our company is 5G Tech Solutions, Hyderabad based product, as well as we are into product development as well as into staffings. So our aim was when we started this company, right, a product based, right, we started developing the wireless equipments based on the SDR. Okay, so that was our right. So our main goal was 5G lab setup for the universities based on the SDR. So SDR, software defined radio, where nowadays everything means even a phone, some of our phones are also built on the SDR, and many base stations are building on SDR. The beauty of software defined radio is the beauty of software defined radio is we can redefine the hardware functionality using the software. We can redesign the hardware functionality using the software, right? Before SDRs, there should be a before this SDR introduction, every device along with the software is a unique. But after this SDR, right, many companies are building many applications using this SDR. Okay, people are still joining, right? Right. So we are into product development. We have developed our own 5G and LTE equipments, and we are selling it to the colleges primarily. And our second thing is we are into staffing solutions. We are connected with some companies whenever they required, not only into 5G, we are into embedded systems, we are into automotives also. This is one of the 5G and LTE is one of the areas we are handling. So we are into embedded as well as we are into automotives, automotive connectivity. So we are connected with some companies whenever they need some resources we find in the open market. Along with that, we are also into corporate trainings. We do provide corporate training, two kinds of corporate training, right? Either we go to the companies and we train their employees at their place, or they deploy employees in our office and we train them. And another it is general training, like individual training, like we now you are joined, right? So we used to conduct several batches for the individual training. Of course, our main revenue comes from these things, right? This is to just as we are into staffing, we need resources, right? Sometimes we started this individual training as we didn't find good resources in the market, so we started. But this is not our main services. Okay. So apart from that, right, as we are connected with the colleges, right, colleges used to call us for the faculty development programs as well as student curriculum development programs. So this is another area, right? And we do right assist in the placement. I hope you are able to follow me, right? Can anyone please reply?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. Okay, so we are into V2X. right? I was talking about something automotive connectivity. We are into embedded system. We are into Wi-Fi. We are into automation, right? So apart from that, anyway, we are into 4G and 5G testing and development. Okay, trainings. So we have developed our own model test framework by using Python with the help of AT&T and Network Model Manager. This is our own product. This is our own product as we have our own 5G lab setup. Right. Apart from that, right, these are few more areas we are handling. So we are not only into the trainings. Once again, I'm clarifying. We are not only into the trainings, but we are into the staffing and other areas also. And we are started this in 2018. We are not a new people. We are there in the 2018. Even our trainings are there from 2018. Right. So these are our products. Our product name is a next signal, which is 5G network in a call box. Right. We named it because we are building the right equipments based on the SDR. So SDR can be used for later on solutions also. For example, 5G release 15 is there. If I wanted to build 5G release 16, then I can do, right, by using the same hardware. So hardware is here, hardware is fixed. Then we can change the software, so that we named it as the next signal. Means same hardware can be used for the future also. Then the next one, which is a 5G mobile in a box, right, to test. It is like a UE simulator, we can say. Screen not showing. Guys, can anyone is my screen visible? Hello?
Sir, my side is visible.
Yeah. One guy, right? Yeah, please, if somebody is not visible, not able to see the screen, please check from your side. Please check your signal. Okay? Right. So this is again next phone, right? Release 15 phone, release 16, right? This is exactly the simulator, right? So we built these are all based on the open source. And also we have a specific device for the engineering colleges, that is a front-end radio, right? They can do basic, from basic, you can say BPSK modulation to advanced modulation schemes, right? And different experiments, engineering colleges. Then we also built a spectrum analyzer, right? Spectrum analyzer is required to monitor whether there is a over emission or out of band emission. Always, right? Spectrum analyzers are very, very important. Even you can see, big companies, right? These are our products. Apart from that, so this is our lab facility, as we are into both corporate trainings as well as individual training. As we are into corporate trainings as well as into individual trainings, we owned this complete lab setup. I'll show you in a moment. Okay, I'll show you by switching on video. You can see in live. So we have a 5G lab with 3 cells, so that even we can have a right CA level, C3 up to 3 CA testing and analysis. Okay, then along with the UE simulator, we have 4G lab along with the 3 cells, and we have commercial modems also, like to test the call box, and we purchased several modems like Galaxy A22, then Huawei modem. We have OnePlus 80 to test the right scenarios. We have commercial modems to test, and we have our own call box as well as UE simulator. So this is from our side, and we have several SDRs to develop further equipments. So let me on the video, you can see, right? You can see our equipment, what we have. Okay. So let me switch on. Right, you might have attempted so many demos, but I don't know overall having the equipment, right? So this is right. So here it is a call box, right, which is very similar to the key site, Andres 2 and R&S, right? But the thing is, they are little costly. Those boxes are little costly, and in terms of crores, you can say, right? So here we have three cells. This is one RF, means like this acts as a one base station, another base station, and another base station. So we have three base stations. Right. So this is 5G callbacks with three cells built on the 3GPP release 15, which supports NSA and SA. And here it is the UE simulator, right, which supports with the 2x2 and 2x2 and 4x4 mine. And also here you can see these are all to support 2x2 and 4x4. So this is our lab along with our own SIM cards. We do have a own SIM to test. Okay. I don't know whether you are able to visible, right? These SIMs are our own SIMs, right? Without any label. You might be finding the labs wherever you are testing. Maybe some of you might be already working, but this is our lab. Okay. Right. So for now, I'm switching off my video. Right. Let's have a discussion. Yeah, sorry, actually laptop has fell down. So hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. As I was moving it, just it fell down. So disconnected. Yeah, if you have any doubts before going today's demo, I can answer if you have any questions. Someone was raising hand. Right. Message. Okay, fine. So we can proceed with the demo. If no doubts, we can go ahead with the today's demo. I hope you are able to hear me, right? I hope
yes,
all
sir.
you have seen
Yes,
the equipment.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So you might have attempted many demos, but I don't know who is having. We are the one in India who is having own lab setup. Owning a lab setup is not so easy. It is a little costly, but as we have other sources of income, so we purchased it, and we are there from in this field, right, from 2018. Okay, fine. I think it is recording is ongoing. Okay. So, this is my regularly we quote it. Investment yourself is the best investment in the world, right? So yourself, you right, invest yourself to grow in career, right? Learning, upskilling, learning and upskilling, right? If you are into business, right? If you are into business, invest in learning, right? If you learn, you can do. If you learn, you can do better. If you don't learn, you will practice like a traditional kind of thing. So if you are into business, you learn, right? Consult the expert, business experts. They will give you ideas. Then you can grow your business. If you are into right job, if you are into job, or if you are into something, right, learn related areas, so that, right, you will get expert advice, right? Expert advice. So generally, if I can tell you, right, when it comes to sportsmen, right, like Virat Kohli or Dhoni, they do have a coaches. They do have a coaches. Why they do have a coaches? They are excelling in their career because they have coaches, right? Time to time they evaluate. Time to time they evaluate the skills of Dhoni or Kohli or somebody, right? So even when you are doing job or in career, you should have a mentor to evaluate always. Mentor to evaluate you always to proceed further in your career, right? Some people generally move, some people are, some of our friends move their career, right, little faster. Some people will be in a back because lack of expert advice. You meet the expert, right? If we have health issue, we meet the doctor. If we have health issue, we meet the doctor, right? If we feel that we are stuck somewhere in the career, then definitely you have to meet the expert. You have to consult the career developer or career mentor, so that they can help you, they can give you ideas, they can give you, right, they can push you into a better position. Trust me, right? Many people are not doing this, but do it. Okay. So another thing, right? Investing in your future, right? Your career can lead to increase the earnings and job security, right? Today, many people are, right? Even you are all there into telecom. I hope you are into already working. Most of you are working. So we are hearing every now and then people are laid off. People are laid off. Definitely, right? Why people are laid off? If you are doing same job repeatedly years together, there is, if there is no initiation and innovation, definitely each and every point or each and everything about us will be there with the organization, right? Will be there with the organization, right? We think that organization is not watching us, but definitely organization will watch everyone. Organization will watch everyone, right? They will always have the statistics. So if there is no initiative and innovative from our side, definitely for the time being, they may keep you. For time being, they may keep you, but at time comes, when time comes, they will they will laid off. Okay. So that is the thing, right? People have to learn continuously, right? Otherwise, right, when time comes, we have to leave our office, right? So career development doesn't mean only the job, right? Career development means it not only job. Okay. uh, it comes under your complete family development. Trust me, it comes under like entire family development. Okay, right. So that is from my side. Then let me go through. Today's demo is happening for both L2, L3 protocol development course as well as testing, and we are running multiple courses as I was telling. Right, so this is 5G end-to-end testing both together, right? Those who wanted to go for the testing, they can right choose testing, and those who wanted to go for the development, they can choose the development. Okay, right. So let me go through, right? So this L2, L3 protocol development course, and as we have our own equipment, right, we will provide you the 100% 100% practicals. Okay. Right. I hope you all got it right. Hello.
Yes, 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 yes.
Right. Right. So this demo is happening for 5G protocol testing, especially L2, L3. Right. There are huge vacancies. We'll see the industry future. Right. Many people are thinking that there are definitely layoffs will be there. Right. The main reason to the main reason behind the layoffs. Right. Because of recession. Recession is one thing, and recession is one thing. Another thing is, right, our style of working. Simply, I can say doing job is different. Okay, productive job is different. Okay, we'll go through the statistics, right? Projected statistics, how this telecom is going to be, right? Just doing a job is different. Just doing a job is different. Definitely productive. Productive job is different. Right. So definitely people will people will take the statistics, right, year on year or month on month, and they will have everything. Organization will have everything about a candidate. Trust me, we think that organization is not watching or my manager is not watching. They watch each and everything what you are doing. Right. Do you have you improved anything year on year, or you are doing just a job? Right. So people, right, these people will be there in the industry at some point of time. These people will not be there in the industry. Trust me. Right. So always they watch. Is he doing some initiative? Right. Initiative, right, and innovative. Initiative and innovative, right? Organization will never lose a people who are worth to company. Organization never leave a people, or never send anyone who is worth to company, right? Organization will send, or maybe they keep for the time being. At time comes, right, they relieve the people those who are not product. Okay, so that is the one reason. Of course, general is due to some recession, right? Market is moving slowly. That is right. Everybody should agree. And when it comes to telecom, especially 4G, 5G area, right? 2023, right, was a totally dry area. Dry year, I can simply say 2023 is totally dry, but 2024 from March, right, the hiring has increased. Hiring has increased, right? No need to worry, and I'll show you the statistics next 10 years, next 2030, 2035, because telecom is going to reshape the society, right, is going to help the going to resolve the public needs. Trust me. Right. And this is especially 5G protocol testing L2, L3, right? It is a demanding position where L2, most of the times algorithms are very right, demanding, a demanding subject, right? So whichever algorithm, right, developer builds, if it is efficient, then company can have good profits. Okay, L3 means like RRC. Especially this Mac and RRC, we are going to right, put efforts in terms of project. Okay, So in this course, we do teach Linux, C++, then RTOS, TCP/IP networking, because TCP/IP networking is a fundamental thing. How we can make the packet and transfers the packet, right? These are all LTE and 5G are packet switching networks. Okay. So whereas this LTA, NSA, and SCA we teach the project implementation, and trust me, this kind of curriculum is unique curriculum in India. You can check anywhere. You can check any institute or anywhere in India. This is a unique curriculum. Both our testing, end-to-end testing, and this is a unique curriculum. Right, then project implementation, right? We teach either RRM algorithm, which is a MAC algorithm. Okay, MAC or RRM, both are same. Then time permits, then we implement one feature of RRC, right? We will provide you the assistance because many people contacts us, right? For the right people. Even one company recently contacted us for the end-to-end tester in bulk, right? People are there, UE testers, people are there, E-Node testers, people are there, core testers, but people are not there who is having UE testing, E-Node testing, core testing along with the automation. They asked us, right? There is a huge number of vacancies, right? So we started end-to-end testing, right? We are going to give them a good number of people after this training, and we will provide you the 1 year access, right? Just we have I have shown you the right, our lab setup. Right, I hope you got it right. So this is about development, and this is about testing, end-to-end testing, right? So we teach you the UE testing, we teach you the G-Node testing, we teach you the core testing, SDN, NFV, along with the ORAN, then 5G cloud deployment, right? Along with the Linux, Kubernetes, Docker, which is a 6 months duration. Which is a 6 months duration. This is also, development is also 6 months duration. Okay, right. Sometimes we take 1 hour class. Initially, we take 1 hour class. Later on, we will extend the classes. So this is about the course structure. And I'll show you all the brochures with respect to the training. So let me go through, right? Usually, right, the projection, what 5G is going to. Right. Anyway, you are all into telecom. You might be knowing something. Some of you are working. Some of you are working, testing, or maybe development, or maybe RF optimization or something. But at least you might be already knowing this, right? 5G is, right? 5G is use case based technology. Use case based technology. Okay, it is not like 4G. 4G straight away MBB, mobile broadband, right? And we are all experiencing this mobile broadband, and we are all experiencing from last 10 years, right? 2014, 2013, 14, right? We are all experiencing. But when it comes to 5G, 5G is a use case based technology. For example, you have a specific application. You have a specification application. For example, you might have heard private 5G, right? Private 5G is developing to a specific applications. So for example, some private 5G networks are going to monitor the factories or industries, right? Some type of 5G private 5G network is going to automate the complete industry. Complete industry. Already in some countries it has already deployed, and in industry 4.0, and 5G is, for some industries 5G is monitoring. For some industries 5G is automated the operations because of its ability, because of its low latency nature, because its high speed nature. So this is having 3 legs. One is EMBB, enhanced mobile broadband, which is expecting 20 Gbps DL and 10 Gbps in UL, right? Another one is URLLC, ultra reliable low latency, less than 1 millisecond, right? MTC, massive machine type communication, which is IoT kind of thing, right? Whereas here it is extreme speed, extremely high speed, it is extremely low speed. Okay, right? IoTs in terms of bits per second, in terms of kilobits per second. You can see diversified application. Many applications are there here, many applications are there here. Anyway, mobile broadband, right? We are nowadays we are experiencing. Okay, so here automotives are going to be the big area, automotive connectivity, where cars are going to have this 5G modem, which will establish the communication with the base stations, ad hoc communication, you can say. When we are on the road, our car will establish the communication with nearby vehicles, right? So telematics with 5G is going to wonder nearby future. Trust me, already all car manufacturing companies, right, started working on it. All level 5 cars, all level 5 cars are going to come with the 5G connectivity. Got my point? I hope you are able to follow me, right?
Yes, yes.
Give me a minute. I'll come back. Right. So simply I can say 5G is little, right? And already some company, some hospitals have started using this 5G, right, to do the operations from remotely, right? A doctor may sitting in US can do operation in Hyderabad, right? Because ultra reliable low latency, which will which will shows you doctor is in front of you and patient is in front of doctor. So that kind of right. I have seen that news that they already started operating on the like pig and other animals to right to see the efficiency of the communication. Right, if there is any issues, right, it started maybe nearby future. Right, it will available. Right, doctor can doctor even from Japan, you can do operation in India. Okay, so those are also there, and Dubai is building one city that is AI city. Okay, so the aim of that city is right along with the 5G plus AI, 5G plus AI is going to build complete AI city with all features. For example, if you are not good and you need if your health is not good, you need not to go to hospital, and your home can become a hospital, right? By moving the equipment into your hospital, and they can do anything. Okay, they can do anything, right? Many of the people generally don't like the hospital. Okay, so majorly you can see right, health sector, then industry 4.0, industries are going to industries are going to take a reshape with the help of 5G, right? Then connected cars I was talking about, and these are all other applications you can see. Right. And this is the market research. Okay. This is the market research done by this company, right? And it is expecting somewhere we are here, right? The chipset is going to increase exponentially, right? Chipset means like definitely whenever there is an application, there is a need for the 5G chipset. Okay. When there is a 5G chipset, right, in involving in any application, there is a required for the developer, right? There is a required for the developer, developers as well as investors. So which means wherever 5G is going to, wherever 5G is going to use, there is a required for the 5G chipsets. Then there is a required software developers, then testers, right? So, which means I can say the right career means like career or jobs you can say, right, are going to increase. Already started from last March, April. Now we are seeing so many vacancies. And when it comes to development, right, there are resources are not available in the market. Resources are not available in the market, so that companies are taking freshers. They are taking freshers and they are giving training thoroughly. Okay, we got one opportunity to train the people, a big company, right? They have taken 120 people, very freshers, right? Still communication is going on, right? They asked us to train them A to Z. A to Z. They are very freshers. They don't know anything about. So we have to start from the digital communication, wireless, then MATLAB, each and everything we need to teach them. Means like due to unavailability of developers, right? They are taking freshers and they are providing the training. Right. So this is another area of another market research, which also tells the chipset 5G chipset market size. Right? Market size is going to grow. So this is another market research, right? 2022, 2030. Right. This also says straight away exponential growth. Right. This is also tells you the exponential growth. Right. This is also tells you the exponential growth where 2000 market size 2023, this is 90. What is, could you please give a demo of any used case of 5G through simulation if possible? In demo, it is not possible. Okay, demo it is not
Okay,
possible.
sir. Okay, sir.
Bringing up the setup and it takes a lot of time. Okay, all right. In demo,
Okay,
it
sir.
is not
Thank you.
possible. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Then 2023, right? 19. Say we are a company. No need to worry about, right? We are not a person. We are a company. No need to worry about because of one student or two students. We don't want to close our entire business. Okay. We have equipment. We purchased it, and it is with right. I'm telling you the equipment name also. Right. It is Amarisoft. Okay, Amerisoft call box, okay, which is industry standard, and all industries, all companies, even Qualcomm using. In Qualcomm, many teams are using, almost all I can say, because of it is little low cost. Then even Radisys is using, even Geo is using, right? Almost all companies are using this box, industry standard only, no need to worry about that. Okay. Right. So in demo is demo. We cannot do, means like bringing up, it takes time, then presenting, it will take some time. Right. So by 2033, right, it is going to, means like expectations, maybe slight changes are there. Maybe there will be slight changes because of this right recession, but definitely communication is going to grow. Communication is going to grow. Right. So these are all devices into means like where we use these devices, right? Modems, RFCs, transceivers, and macros, right? Smartphones, even laptops are going to right. All laptop and PC manufacturing companies, right? They are going to build the 5G stack inside the laptop or PC. You need not to carry your mobile to office, right? If something is there, you can use your laptop to communicate. So that is, they are also started. Okay. Then hubs, robots, drones, right? For a disaster management, right? Drones, uh, either you can, two things are there. Drones may maybe inbuilt with the base station kind of thing. Okay. Or equipment can be placed, means like a base station equipment will be placed on the drone, right, to manage the disaster if something went wrong in particular place. right? Definitely the infrastructure will be collapsed, right? Because of the floods and all. Infrastructure means towers and all maybe gone. So at that time, instant communication can be done with the drones. Already people are testing. Okay, sorry. So here another thing is this IoT gateways, right? So nowadays, 2G, 3G based IoTs are working. Okay, some are 4G based. Anyway, this 2G, 3G is going to shut down. Already some countries started shutting down. Okay, Australia, right, in October they shut down entire 2G, 3G operations. Then 4G will be there and 5G will be there at some point of time after right installed 5G everywhere coverage, right? If when 5G installed everywhere, then they also withdraw the 4G. Okay, so entire IoT industry is going to reshape with the 5G enabled 5G enabled IoT. Okay, so then surveillance cameras, automobiles I was talking about, right? Initially 5G modem is building inside the cars, level 5 cars. Later on, it will be moved to the trucks and other vehicles. But this is called intelligent transportation.
वही बना लेता हूँ
Intelligent transportation as well as intelligent warehouse management, right? IoTs are going to use a lot of, as well as agriculture. Okay, into agriculture sector.
करवा देता हूँ मैं
So this is
आज और
about
मेरा बना देता हूँ
usable. Of course, many applications are there, but listed out something. Another area is cloud, right? Cloud. See, traditional already we know, right? Traditional code deployment and testing, right? Traditional code development and testing is happening.
बढ़िया कर दिया हूँ
To take right as the cloud because of advancements in several advancements in the cloud, right? This traditional way of developing the code, testing the code is going to do in the cloud. Already many companies are started. There are so many vacancies. Companies are not able to fill their positions. Okay, so the same code will be deployed in the right cloud and testing. Okay, so definitely a lot of resources are required to move the traditional to the cloud. Okay, there is a huge demand. So this is total 5G core market cloud.
Sir, I have one small doubt.
Anyway, as you know,
Can
the
I ask?
3GPP, right? These are 3GPP specifications, and these are freely available, right? You can download these to learn yourself. Okay. See, people are there. People are there who cleared IAS without taking the coaching. People are there, they didn't clear even after taking the coaching. So it depends on the human to human, right? Human to human, right? People are there who got the first rank, second rank, third rank without the coaching. People with the coaching also, they didn't clear IAS interviews, right? People are there. It depends on the human mentality, right? So these are all available. These are specs available. If you want, you can read, you can download, and you can prepare your own. Okay, you can prepare your own. So these are the 5G specifications. If you want, you can go through this by downloading. But understanding the concepts is a little time-taking process, right? Not so easy, right? Definitely, a mentor can help you. A mentor can help you with the examples, right? If you are not understanding a concept, a mentor or trainer can help you to understand in a better way and within the short span of time. If you started reading, you may take 1 year to understand, but with the trainings, right, 3 months or 6 months, right? Definitely, right? Even after spending 1 year or 1.5 years, you may not be clear at the concepts, but the trainers or mentors can help you to understand the concepts better with the examples. Okay. I hope you got it right. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Right. I hope you are able to follow me.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
So that is the difference, right? On people are there, right? They study, right? They go through but only the thing is time taking process, right? So if you read a topic, if it takes 5 to 6 hours, right? 5 to 6 hours, right? The mentor can clarify within 10 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So that is the beauty of having a mentor or a trainer. Definitely they guides you in a proper way. I was talking about, right, those who having the better mentor and a trainer, right, they excel in their life. I have taken an example from the sports. Okay, coaches and trainers reshape their future, not only in the sports, in the career also. Okay, because they already experienced in the subject. They have already gone through in and out from the in the subject as well as in the industry. I hope you got it right. Of course, it is a individual, again it is an individual perception, right? People, there are two types of people. Okay, so one type of people, right, thinks that type 1 people, type 2 people, right? So the course fee, they look at the course fee, right? They look at the course fee and they think that with why should, right? With this course fee, I can do, right? I can go to restaurant 20 times. I can go to movies 20 times, or I can purchase something. People thinks, but some other type of people, they upskill themselves. They upskill themselves, right? And they move to a better position, and they go to move restaurant 100 times. Okay, after increasing their salary and position, they can go, right, 100 times to the restaurant, 100 times to the movies, right? They can purchase whatever they want. Okay, so two kinds of people are there. Two people mentality is two types, right? Depending on that, of course, people are right doing excel by learning own. People are there. We cannot deny. Okay, right. But once again, I am telling, that with the investment, right? With the course fee investment, you cannot buy even 10 grams gold. Trust me, you can't buy 10 grams gold. Even you can't buy with a course fee, even you can't buy a car, right? You can't buy a flat. You can't buy a flat. Okay, even you can't buy a land, but you can transform your career, right? More than 100%. Okay, you can hike, your salary can hike from right, X to 100%. We have seen people got more than 100% hike, more than 100% hike. We have seen, right? People jumped from 3 lakhs to 16 lakhs, even 8 lakhs to 19 lakhs. Nothing will give you, even if you purchase 10 grams of gold with your course fee amount, that will not abruptly changes. Within 6 months, these investments will not grow, right, 100% within 6 months, but you can grow your life better position with a better salary, job security. Trust me. Okay. So this is the right stack, right? When it comes to, I hope, hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So trust me, by doing the changes, whether you join or not, that is up to yourself. Okay, that is your opinion, whether you join with us or somebody. But do learn, do learn. If not protocol development, if not protocol testing, learn AI, learn data science, something. Enhance your skill because data science is going to play key role in telecom. AI is going to play a key role in telecom, right? Even DevOps is going to play a key role in telecom. Means like there are many areas you need to consider. Okay, not only testing or development, but right, those who are right already into telecom, that will help you little. These are all same path, right? Your testing and development are into same path, so you can consider. Right. So right, we do get so many inquiries, thousands of inquiries. Okay, we do get thousands of inquiries. Some people learn, they transform their career. Some people just inquire, then they keep silent. We generally don't call anyone to repeatedly. We don't call anyone repeatedly. It is because it is own interest. We cannot push the people to join, right? We generally don't call anyone, right? Just WhatsApp message is enough. If they are interested, they will join. Right. So this is the, right, those who are not aware of this, right? This is the protocol stack. Simply, I can say what exactly the protocol is. What exactly the protocol is. Right. So simply a definition, by definition, it is a set of rules. Okay, by definition, set of rules. Simply, I can say how it works. Right. So this is my mobile. Right. Nowadays, right, for five, when it comes to 5G, this may be mobile, this may be IoT, this may be right URLLC, low latency communication device, or some other with the help of different slices. Okay. So logic is very simple, right? Right, when this mobile wanted to have a service, it should request, right? Then base station responds if everything is correct. If everything is correct as far as protocol and procedure. Protocol and procedure. So this request and response, right? So request what kind of service you want, then the base station responds either positively or negatively. Okay, this is a simple protocol to write, to have the successful communication, right? So this mobile is the hardware plus software. Okay, so my hardware should be properly working, software which is built for this special application. For example, voice call request. Okay, right, mobile is requesting for a voice call. Okay, if hardware as well as software which is built for the voice call is properly working, then this will be a successful. If not, right, definitely call will be not successful. Means if there are any changes, if there are any issues in the software, if there are any issues in the hardware, this communication definitely will fail. Not only from the mobile side, from the base station side also, right? When it, especially we are into software, we are discussing about the software development and software testing. So we are not discussing about hardware anything. So software should be proper, and software should be proper, and that should be ensured with the testing. How can we how can we say that the software is working properly? Through the testing only, right? So now these are all the software layers which are sitting in the mobile. Okay, so this is a piece of software, this is piece of software, piece of software, piece of software, and a piece of software, piece of software. And this piece of software internally, layer to layer communication should happen, layer to layer communication should happen, then device to device communication will happen. So if layer to layer communication happened properly, then device to device communication will be successful. If communication between these layers is wrong, right, definitely device to device communication will also wrong. So a developer and tester's job is to ensure that the code developed correctly Developer has to ensure that the code is developed successfully. Tester has to ensure that the code is tested. Developed code is tested successfully. Then only this product will be released into the market. This product will be released. This product will be this. All products will be released into the market. Even our full products. Let us take simple chips, right? Chips also will be right, packed chips. Those also will be tested in the lab whether any unauthenticated flavors are added, unauthenticated right chemicals are there. So everything, right, manufactured, before manufacture testing will be there, after manufacturing testing is there. There is a organization, right? FSSAI, they will take care of. So similarly, if any company manufacturing this mobile, that should undergo third party test, whether it is working properly or not. Because government acts behalf of public, right? Some X company has developed a product. It doesn't mean that they can release into the market. Government should certify it. It is properly working or not. Because people spend money, right? People spend money, so that government acts behalf of public. So now we are going to implement this MAC scheduler, which is very important in any communication, which takes care of resource allocation efficiently. Efficient resource scheduler can uh, can uh, can be a profitable to the organization. Not only, not only, uh, not only a algorithm, but a right a worthful resource. As an engineer can give a profits to a company, right? So Mac scheduler is one algorithm which schedules the resources, right, based on several factors, right? Channel quality information, quality of service information required, then what is the system configuration. Based on that, this scheduling algorithm will take a decision to assign the right DL UL resources to the number of UEs, and all UEs will be right important to the company because they are paying. Right, when we call to the Airtel customer care, what they say, your call is very important to us because we are paying them. Without us, company will not be there. So that's why, right, carefully we need to discuss the design the MAC scheduler. So in this course, we are going to implement the MAC scheduling algorithm. So this is similar. Okay, so UE capabilities will be taken. What are the quality of service, right? Voice quality is different, data quality is different, different QCI values are there when it comes to 5G, lot of services. Okay, so then, right, the packet scheduler will take care of all this into consideration, then assigns the data. Okay, so these are the basic algorithms, max CI, then round robin, proportional fair. These are very basic algorithms, right? Round robin, right? If 10 users are there, if 10 mobiles are there, okay. So this doesn't take care of any user priority. First come, first based. That's it. First come, first basis, first come, first resource allocation. So simply I can say this is first user, second user, third user, and so on, 10th user. Means resources will be first assigned to the first user, second user, third, fourth, fifth, then 10th user. Next will be one user. This is round robin. Okay, this is a round robin implementation. Okay. Round robin implementation. Okay. Give me a minute. Right. Okay, other algorithms, right? Other algorithms, right? For example, proportional phase, right? It takes care of the channel conditions, right? The user with the good channel conditions will be assigned better resources. Then max CI, right? Carrier to interference, maximum carrier, those who have maximum carrier interference, they will be assigned better resources, right? So these are we are going to implement. Okay. Right. So this is some kind of high level process, and this is just cloud. Cloud. Of course, we don't cover any cloud. This is for the testing. Okay. So now this is about we cover in this course LTE 5G, C++, ATAS, IPC means networking, along with the project implementation for RRM algorithm, right? Then implementation of RRC if time permits. Okay. Then course duration is 6 months. Course mode is online. Course fees is 55,000. The 1 year video access will be there, and this course fees can be paid in 4 installments, right? And this is for the development, right? For the testing, right? When it comes to testing, okay. So this is our right end-to-end course, right? Where LTE 5G complete 5 LTE, Vivo LTE, 5G NSA, SCA will be covered. Apart from this, core 5G core, SDN, NFV, right? Along with the Linux, Docker, and Kubernetes will be covered. And the project will be 5G core cloud deployment. So this will be right, and LTE 5G testing is a common procedure. Okay, LTE 5G testing is a common procedure, right? We cover several number of test cases. I'll show you with the we have complete brochure for each and every course. So let me go through the brochures. Okay, so here it is end-to-end brochure. Okay, course brochure. So here it is. These are all practicals we conduct. Okay, test case writing. Right, as we have our own equipment, you can see we teach you the test configuration, test execution, log analysis. Right, for all these test cases. Right, for all these test cases. Right, all are industry standard test cases. And of course, as a training center, we may not give you. We have 200 test cases, but we cannot teach you. But we teach you, right, at least 50 test cases around this, along with the cloud deployment project. So that is about the testing. Okay. So this is about protocol development, and this is about testing, which is 45,000, and here it is 55,000. Both are 6 months. Okay. So if anyone have any doubts, you can ask, right? If anybody is not there in the WhatsApp group, you can ping here, right? You can ping on this number so that we can share you the details. And expecting batch is 28 October, right? We are going to start this batch, and at 9 p.m. Development batch is at 9 p.m. Okay. Of course, testing is also at 9 p.m. only. Fine. Any questions? And one batch started, testing batch. This end-to-end testing batch started. End-to-end testing batch started in the morning. Just 3 days back in the morning at 8 a.m. If anybody wanted, they can ping me. I can give you the video recordings. Video recording access, and all you can attend for 1 week free classes, right? Based on our teaching and based on our teaching and your understanding, you can take a decision. Our teaching and your understanding. Okay, right. So once again, I write. Once again, I'll thank you. I'm thanking you for attending this, right? If anyone have any questions, then we can discuss.
Yes, sir. I want to ask one question.
Go ahead.
Yeah, like considering the implementation of L2-L3 development,
Correct.
so whether we are referring to any open source code to understand the implementation or
Yes,
develop
we have our
our
own
own.
code, and we have our own code as well as our Amerisoft as well as open source. Anyone we can use.
Okay, okay. So we are taking the reference of that one.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Right.
Yeah. Any further doubts? Mostly we go with the open source only, because we don't want to disturb our box code.
Okay,
So at
okay.
the development course, any programming language also we will cover.
That's what C++ is required, right? We teach.
So you will cover both languages, right?
We cover from the scratch, very basics. No need to worry.
Okay, for those who are having experience in testing, that were also not a problem in this.
People can see, it is a known fact in the industry that people right from RF background moving to testing. Okay, people are from testing background moving to development. These are all career upskilling, right? Upskilling. You are a tester. How many days you wanted to be as a tester? Learn and move to development. Definitely, job security will be there and new way of working. Right? Instead of struggling here, right? RF planning, RF drive test, optimization. Right? Optimization, guys, has right alarming that these are going to vanish next to 2 to 3 years because of AI. AI badly affect on optimization engineers, right? If you people are interested, go here or go here. If not, learn something, right? If you want, you can go embedded systems, or if you want, those who take action seriously, they will be saved their lives. If not, they will not. Okay, data science or AI, right? Something you try different courses. But right here, there is a problem with the embedded and AI data science. Freshers are there, right? Freshers are like floods. Freshers floods, I used to say. Lakhs of people are there. So competition will be very high there. So I suggest, right, these are the better options, right? Somewhere, not only testing development, you can consider a cloud, right? You can consider your Kubernetes. Okay, this will help you, right? Take it as an investment. Take it as an investment. One must prioritize their investment. The first investment is, right, insurance, right? Insurance, both, right? Health insurance, right? Along with the life insurance. The second next investment, right? Upskilling. Because this upskilling can pay to all of your bills, all of your right EMIs. If you upskill, right? So you should have a second plan of action, right? I used to get the calls. People, right? Some people contacted me in 2022. Now they contacted me, sir, I lost job. What should I do? Right? You should have taken action in 2002. You might be have another path, right? If you right laid off, what is your next plan? What is your second plan? Right? Second plan maybe, right? Business. That is also okay, business. If you have money, go and do business. If you laid off, if not, right, learn something, right? Ready to leave. Ready to leave the right first path. You have a second path, right? You are in a job. That is your first path. right? If you have a second plan, even if you laid off, right, you will save. And many people called me, right? I lost jobs, or what should I do? Once you lost the job, definitely you will be on the road. Not only you, your family will be on the road. Before move on to the road, learn something, invest, right? Stop purchasing unnecessary things. Stop purchasing unnecessary things next 1 year. You plan it, you save it, you learn it, you invest it, all right? You go. Got my point? With 55K or 45K, you cannot even purchase the 10 grams of gold, but you can transform your life 100% increment. A new role, new play, new life. 100% you can get into new life. Trust in my words. That is up to you whether you join or not. But those who are laid off, they are doing similar job for years and years. Company will have details. I was a manager for a company. We used to list out the right who is doing, what is he doing. Is there any? We used to have a tracker. Any initiative, innovative there from the employees. If not, right, increment will not be there. Low increment. Those who are showing one guy in Qualcomm, right, have 20 plus patents. 20 plus patents. In his team, right, almost 11 to 12 people are there. They used to do the same team member. They do the same work, but this guy is having 10 or 20 plus patents. He is getting good amount from here, and his path is like a right cakewalk. Everyone knows in the company he is having patents. Means productive job. He is doing productive job. These people are doing just a job, just a log analysis, submit and go. But this fellow, right, doing log analysis, finding the issues, along with is relating, means innovative, is thinking innovative, right? So this issue is there. If this issue, right, right, compare with the 3GPP and all, right, develop a concept, then present it, then get a patent. That's it. Everybody gets the issues in the industry, but some people think on that particular issue, right? Whether this can be a patentable. Then he thinks he develop a concept and he presents. He's getting the patents. That is what innovative job, general job. Okay. Right. I hope you got it. And from my end, I am done. If anyone have any further doubts, you can ask. I will answer. Fine. Okay. So, right, inquiring will not take, inquiring the course will not help. Taking the action, plan, right? You should have a plan, action, right? Will give you a result. If you plan, year and year, plan, you will be planner only, not action taker. Take action, get the result. Right? There is one thing like you become what you think. You become what you believe. What you think, what you believe. Correct or not? If you wanted to become a developer, you will take a steps. You will learn. You will become a developer. If you wanted to be a tester, right? Take a step like learn. You become a tester, right? If you don't want to become a tester or developer, you will be in the same position, right? Fine. This is from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we can close this demo.
1 minute, sir.
Go ahead. Your good name?
Nikhil, sir.
Nikhil, are you there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if anybody is not there, you please ping me so that I can assist. Right. Try to develop your network by consulting the mentors. Okay. Mentors, LinkedIn profile will help you to go ahead, Nikhil.
Yeah, so after going through this course, in which direction we can go for in future, like in EV side or in ENODB side? Hello? Hello?
I think he disconnected from the call.
Yes, yes, I think so. Yeah. Okay, we can drop off.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry guys, got switched off. Yeah, anyone have any doubts? We will conduct it later also. Deepak, Himanshu.
సార్ బాగున్నారా?
దీపక్ బాగున్నాను. నా స్టూడెంటా?
అవును సార్, అవును.
ఏమైంది? ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది నీది? హిమాంశు.
నేను ప్రజెంట్ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాను సార్, సౌదీలోనే ఉన్నాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, ఎప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు మరి? అయిపోయిందా ప్రిపరేషన్?
నేను
ప్రిపరేషన్
అది ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాను సార్, క్లాసెస్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాను, అవి రికార్డింగ్.
ఓకే ఓకే, ప్రిపేర్ అయితే
రికార్డింగ్స్ అన్ని చూస్తూనే
అప్డేట్
ఉన్నాను.
చేయి. మీ దుబాయ్లో మస్తు ఉన్నాయి.
యా సార్, అవును సార్, ఇటువైపు కూడా బాగానే ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవే క్లాసెస్ అవుతా ఉంటాను. అయితే ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్ గా మాది ప్రాజెక్ట్ అప్గ్రేడ్ అవుతా ఉంది,
ఓకే,
కంప్లీట్ గా క్లౌడ్ కి వెళ్తా ఉంది కంప్లీట్ గా.
అదే అదే అదే.
అది హువావే టెక్నాలజీస్, సో మొత్తం క్లౌడ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కి మూవ్ అవుతా ఉన్నారు మనం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో దాని గురించే చూస్తా ఉన్నాం. అయితే మనది అన్నారు కదా సార్, ఇది క్లౌడ్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి మొత్తం డాకర్ కుబర్నెటిక్స్ మొత్తం దీని మీదనే ఉందన్నమాట మనది కరెంట్
అవును
ప్లాట్ఫామ్.
అవును అవును, క్లౌడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది కదా నెట్వర్క్ అంతా.
అవును సార్, అవును. సో మనది ఎప్పుడు సార్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది ఇది బ్యాచ్?
ఇది 28th అక్టోబర్.
ఈ మంత్ 28 నుంచి సార్.
ఈ మంత్ 28th ప్లాన్ ఉంది. ఒక
Okay.
బ్యాచ్ అయితే స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా సార్?
మార్నింగ్ 8 AM స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
ఓకే ఓకే, సేమ్ సార్, ఇది 6 months సేమ్ ఇదే కోర్సా డెవలప్మెంట్ సార్? మీరు రెండు
అదే
చెప్తారు,
రెండు ఉంటది. అంటే మనది
డెవలప్మెంట్.
ఇంతకు ముందు 3 months కోర్సు.
అదే సార్, అది మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు 4G 5G టెస్టింగ్ కోర్స్ కదా అది. సో
అవును.
దానికి ఇది సేమా, ఎక్స్టెన్షనా, లేకపోతే
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్
సెపరేట్?
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్
కదా.
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అంటే అఫ్ కోర్స్ కొంచెం డైరెక్షన్స్ కూడా. నేను దీపక్ మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను.
సరే సార్, ఓకే
ఓకేనా? రైట్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.